She thinks that's funny, doesn't she?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
She thinks it's funny when you say her name, doesn't she?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, let's get back to our picnic. What are you having for your picnic, Casey?
Some stew.
Some stew.
Yep.
Mmm.
But I don't like just some inside.
No, you don't really like it, do you?
I don't like it.
Well, you could try it and see if you like it, okay?
Milk.